Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video I'm going to go over how to install the BaZik GTK theme on Linux. So to start off, you need to go to the download link here, linked into the article in the description. This will take you to gnomelook.org, which has a link to every single theme option, and there are tons. Now I've already downloaded the dark blue one, so I'm going to go ahead and launch a terminal. Let's go with console. So I'm moving to the downloads folder, and we will go to the command, and right here it says to extract the contents of the archive. Now it's going to extract to the dark blue folder. From here we can do the installation types. Now there's system-wide and there's single user. Now since I'm the only user on the system, I'm going to go with single user. So to start off, I need to create a new folder called themes. After that, I need to make sure that I'm in the download directory, just in case you close your terminal, you move around with it. And then I can just move BaZik into the themes folder. Now that's all I got to do. Now I can minimize and I can open up my theme settings on Mate, and I can look for BaZik. So there's dark blue right here. Now it's telling me that the icon theme I need is not installed. Now that's okay. I can always go to icons and pick my own, such as Papyrus or Papyrus Adapta Maya or whatever else. I can go with ePapyrus, I can go with Breeze. I can make it look however I want. I'm going to go with Papyrus though. And then we've got the BaZik GTK theme here. Looks pretty nice. I kind of think I might prefer the red one because red's my favorite color. I kind of wish that it came with the theme pre-installed, the icon theme. But you can mix and match like I'm doing right now, and it still looks really nice. So anyways guys, that's how you install the BaZik GTK theme on Linux. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.